Welcome. In this video, we are going to look at problem 25 from chapter 19 of College Physics 2E by OpenStax. Okay, so we need to find the potential at a distance of 0.530 times 10 to the minus 10 meters from a proton, and we're told this is the average distance between the proton and electron in a hydrogen atom. Okay, let's start with what we know. And what we know is that the distance, so we'll call that the R, is 0.530 times 10 to the minus 10 meters. We know the charge Q is going to be a QE, the fundamental charge of a proton, which is the same as the charge of an electron, with the exception of the sign. Both have the same magnitude. This is 1.60 times 10 to the minus 19 coulombs. Okay, the equation for the potential due to a point charge is V is equal to KQ over R. And we are some distance r from the point charge. Okay, we have all these values, so we can just plug them in. K is our 8.99 times 10 to the 9 Newton meters squared per coulomb squared. Q, we said, is 1.60 times 10 to the minus 19 coulombs. We're dividing that by R, which is the 0.530 times 10 to the minus 10 meters. I did that calculation and I got 27.14 volts. And so the potential is 27.1 volts. And that is the potential due to the proton located at about where the electron sits. I hope you found this helpful. Let me know in the comments section if you have any questions or there's other problems you'd like to see. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.